Hi, what's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I'm going to do a review of the Syncwire FM transmitter. This is the product here, and I have been using it for about a few months now, and it has been working out. Since I want to play the songs that I want on here, so I don't have to listen to the radio all the time. So I decided to play the songs that I had on my phone in my car, so I don't have to go through the radio, as I just said before. This is great for it, and I can charge my devices with this in the car, like my AirPods and my phone with this. So a USB-A and a USB-C port. And this is the volume controls, the play and pause, or answer the phone, or hang up, and the channels. I can't remember what this was right here. I know this is channels, answer, or hang up, or play and pause right here. And if you want to check out my unboxing of this, it should be in the cards in the top right corner of this video. And this has been great. And guys, this is my review of the Syncwire FM transmitter. I hope you guys did like this review. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews, and more tech tutorials, and more gaming, and more Adventure Time Plus videos. And please subscribe with notifications on, so you guys don't miss a video from me. And comment and like this video as well. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off, and peace. Bye.